Come test drive the 2022 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: moonroof, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.